Okay, everybody, I'm going to show you how to put these aftermarket mud flaps on the Toyota Sienna. It's very easy. I looked on YouTube and I couldn't find a video. So I said, you know what? I'm going to make my own. And I'm going to put mine on. So, this is the mud flap. Pretty rugged plastic. It works well, and you can see it lines up with that front here. We'll take these off and reuse those. Pretty simple. Pull these screws out. Line up the mud flap like that. You can feel it fits in there rather well. Holes line up. Just put these, use the same screws we just took out. Well, the backs aren't like this. Just fits right back in there. Okay, it's nice and snug. Now you're going to put a screw in underneath here, and if you look underneath here, we're going to be putting a screw in this hole right here. I'm going to be using my right angle drill that fits up underneath the car. I don't have to move the vehicle. I'm using a screw that we had to buy. They don't supply these screws. But this bottom piece is plastic and it screws right into it. That's done and on, and that's all there is to it. Tells you which one is the right and left. These screws go back in. There's one screw underneath. It's done. There you go. Thanks. Subscribe to my channel.